Hi everyone, want to talk to you a little bit about your assignment. So you are going to be working on the dialogue with Dave, which is exercise 4.1 here in the Curious Researcher. And Dave is a reader. He is interested in your topic. He's nice. He cares about it. But after you kind of got his attention, you're going to want to kind of have this conversation with him. So imagine that he is asking you these questions that are listed here. So one is, why this topic? Why did you choose it? Where is this taking place? Who is it impacting? Who's it affecting? When did this happen? What? I didn't know that. Tell me more. So he is really your curious reader and he wants to know, but he, of course, has not had the time to go and delve into the research like you have. So you're going to be informing him of all of this. One of the questions that I really like is how do most people see this? Or how do you see this differently? Because that's really going to give you some space to kind of add in your own voice. He's also going to ask questions like, can you give me an example? So remember, our strong writing is going to be concrete writing. So when you say, well, many people do this, give me a little example of you seeing that, whether it's a friend or whether it's an observation. You want to make sure that we are not just making claims, but we also have evidence to support it. What should we do about this? I'm not sure I believe this now. Why do you believe this? Or don't you? Like, what's the conclusion? And then what do you think we should do about it now? So you're going to use a table format and you're going to draw a little thing like this where Dave is here on the left side and you are going to be on the right side answering these questions. Just like in the notes, we want our answers to be multifaceted and a lot longer than the questions. And I'm hoping by the end of this, you are going to have a say one freaking thing. You are going to come down to it and have something. So I'm going to ask you in the assignment is, did you come to one of these things at the end? Sometimes we do this exercise and you're like, yes, I discovered my point. I didn't even know it was quite there, but at the end, like I knew what I was trying to say. That is your thesis. Awesome. Great. You might also be in number 2 where you kind of arrived at a point, but you're like not sure if it's right. Maybe it seems too general. Maybe it seems like really forced. You don't like it. Please let me know if you're there because I will be looking at these and I would love to give you some feedback on that. And then number 3, maybe you're like, oh my gosh, my research is still all over. I don't feel like I'm coming to a point. I'm not sure what to do. Again, let me know where you're at. And so I can help to support you through that. I can see what you've been doing and I can probably, hopefully find your point. Sometimes it's easier for other people to see, or maybe we can have a conference and talk about that. So hopefully this assignment will give you a little bit more focus of where you're going because soon we'll be drafting and we always want to have kind of that thesis in the foreground as we're writing. As always, let me know if you have questions on this. You can see the assignment in Canvas and hopefully you will come to a soft.